guys, quarter marshals are ready. And our drivers, everybody ready up there? All right, our drivers are ready. It's 12 scale 17.582. We're going racing in less than 5. And we're off and running with race number 24. Congratulations to Jaime on winning that 12 scale. You'll be running with these guys. Go to the middle. Cortez, you should have advanced to the middle already. That's twice, man. Wait for the cars to clear. Thank you. All right. Bodine out in front in the orange and white. Oh, man, look on the inside. Here comes Todd down the back straightaway. We got action. 3-car, 4-car breakaway. Got people on a Moody trying to stay with the front group. Uh-oh. Trouble for the orange and white. Trying to get it fixed up, and there is something wrong with Bodine's rig. He is out of the top 3. It's Todd Mason out in front of the blue and pink. Scott Barnes and Tim Kopp. All right, guys, race number 25, F1A2. Race number 25, F1A2. Get them ready to go. Our race leader, Todd Mason, out in front by 1.8. Todd over on the right-hand side, now in through the middle of the course in the blue and pink. Coming across the start-finish line now at 12.6. Scott Barnes in the second spot, trailing by 2.8 with Tim Kopp in third, 3/10 behind him. The battle's going to be for the 2 spot. Barnes and Kopp. Moody and Nelson to round out the top 5. Followed by Yam, Yoder, Bernali, and Bodine. 6 minutes and 15 seconds left to go. Race leader coming up on traffic down the backstretch. Blue and pink, give him a little bit of room. .215 down and 5:45 left to go. 2:15 down, 5:45 left to go. .230 down and 5:30 left to go. 2:30 down, 5:30 left. Mason, Kopp, and Barnes, followed by Moody and Nelson to round out the top 5. A big battle here for the 2 spot across the start-finish line. Kopp in the white, followed by Barnes in the blue and orange, and Moody in the pink. Down over on the right-hand side now. All right, guys, we got 3 minutes down and 5 minutes left to go. 3 down and 5 to go. Mason, 5.1 seconds. That's Todd out in front of Tim Kopp. All the way from Seattle to join us off the end of the straightaway in the blue and pink, back in through the middle. Now the 3-way battle for second continues here with the white car, and they're coming up on some traffic here. Kopp is actually white, yellow, and blue down the back stretch. Tim Barnes in the 3rd position in the orange and blue. Back in through the middle, and the battle for second across the start-finish line. Second across the line, 3rd and 4th. 4th is the pink one of Brandon Moody. Rounding out the top 5 will be James Nelson, Jim Yam, Ryan Vernali, Rick Yoder, and Brian Bodine to complete the running order here. Four down and 4 to go, guys. 4 down and 4 to go. .17.5 out here on the course for the 12 scale division. Our A1 winner was Brian Bodine. So Todd Mason looking to win A2. So with Bodine off the course, this will definitely go to A3 to decide our champion. 3 minutes and 15 seconds left to go again. 3:15 left to go. Todd, Scott, and Tim, followed by Brandon and James to round out the top 5. 5 minutes down and 3 minutes left to go. Got 5 down, 3 to go. Going to be a 7.5 second lead for Mason over Barnes. The Barnes with just 7/10 over Kopp. So the blue and orange battling it out with the white, blue, and yellow. They're coming up on traffic through the middle. Thanks, guys. We're clear. Brandon Moody still in the 4 spot, and James rounding out the top 5 here. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left to go. Todd Mason in the blue and pink through the middle. Going to be coming up on our 4th place driver, Brandon, next. And we're getting ready for some F1 action. Race number 25 F1 is coming up next. Trouble for our race leader, going in the wrong direction. Still out in front by about 8.2. Barnes and Kopp still one of our only battles out there. Besides the battle of the Mango Pack between Rick and Ryan. Barnes with a little bit of breathing room now, 2.5 over Kopp in 3rd, and now Kopp has Moody closing in on the hot pink. $15 seconds left to go. 1:15 left to go. All right, guys, 7 down and 1 to go. Todd Mason out in front. Scott Barnes in second. 7 point. Oh man, watching the start finish line. And we're clear. Less than a minute left to go now. So Brandon Moody not going to be closing in on Tim anymore. That pink car getting marshaled in the corner. It's like 45 seconds left to go. Yeah, 45 seconds left. $30 seconds left to go. Got 30 seconds left. $15 seconds left to go. Mason, Barnes, and Kopp, followed by Moody and Nelson. Todd Mason, Scott Barnes, and Tim Kopp are top 3, followed by Moody and Nelson to round out the top 5. Time has expired on the clock, guys. White flag is out. Scott Barnes, you're done with 2nd. Tim Kopp, you're done with 3rd. There's our race winner. Todd Mason, you're done with the win in A2. So it'll go down to A3. Everybody is done. And the championship title is still not decided. 17.5, 12 scale. Let's bring him in and shut him down.